Welcome to the pivot point system, a strategy used by swing and intraday traders based on standard Fibonacci pivots. This is for educational purposes only. Trading involves risk. Always do your own analysis and never trade money you can't afford to lose. Here's a quick overview of the video. Checklist for buy trades, checklist for sell trades, on-chart example, tips and tricks, outro and thank you. The vision is simple: trade smarter, not harder. This system is built for traders who want high probability setups without staring at charts all day. No clutter. No confusion. Just clean strategy that works. A buy example using this system, which includes many other factors, but here are 3 for simplicity. 1. Price hits the central pivot point. 2. The higher time frame daily supports a reversal with price above the 50 SMA. And 3. Knoxville divergence confirms a potential bounce on the H4 or daily chart. A sell example using this system, which also includes many other factors, but here are 3 for simplicity. 1. Price hits the central pivot point. 2. The higher time frame daily supports a reversal with price below the 50 SMA. And 3. Knoxville divergence confirms a potential drop on the H4 or daily chart. Price is bouncing off the R1 pivot point, holding above the 50 SMA, with Knoxville divergence on the 4H chart confirming a potential reversal. This strategy isn't plug and play. It's for those willing to wait, observe, and strike with intent. Use alerts. Match pivot point levels with daily support and resistance zones. Let Knoxville divergence filter out weak setups. Patience and small size beat ego and big bets. You don't need every trade, just the right ones. If you're ready to level up your trading and want the exact brokers I use, plus my full step-by-step Forex guide, just hit the links below. Everything you need to get started, stay consistent, and actually grow your account is right there. No fluff. No gatekeeping. Just real tools for real traders. Check it out now, and I'll see you in the next video.